cake, your friends will be so happy you got them birthday cakes, yeah? Alright. So Mama, what do you have in your bag?
Cupcake.
This what?
Cupcake.
For what?
For my friends. Well, it was my birthday.
For your friends in school, yeah? Let's see. Careful. So I have 5 pieces here, and I'll be taking this to school. The thing is, tomorrow is actually her birthday, but they don't have school tomorrow. So I told her teacher I will bring her cake today, so they celebrate with her today in school. Yeah, so I want to pop this in the bag now. So we're making pancake. Where's the pancake? And I'm making their tea. Supposed to finish up your pancake now.
Oh.
So
What?
Miwa, are you ready for school?
Yeah.
So you'll be taking your you'll be taking your cake to school today. So what do you have in the bag?
Cupcakes.
Let's see.
Do-do.
Ooh, so what will you be doing with the cupcakes?
Giving it to my friends.
You are going to be giving it to your friends, yeah? And what's on your hair?
My birthday
girl. Let me see. Birthday girl. All right, go on, babes. Where's your book bag and your jacket? Go and bring them. Ready for school? Oh, you have birthday girl by there. Good stuff. So yeah, we are all set and ready to take Adeze to school. Tomorrow is her birthday actually, but she'll be celebrating it today in school. She got her cupcakes and all, yeah, and she's all dressed up in her school uniform with her birthday girl crown. And they don't have school tomorrow. Tomorrow is like inset day, like no school tomorrow for them, so that's why she's doing it today, being the 10th of October. She's so happy, she's so excited, she can't wait to celebrate with her friends. Soso is all dressed up as well. Then we take Soso to school. It's a different end of the city, but it's not too far from each other, Sha. It's not too far. So I also have started attending morning nursery. I don't know if I mentioned it. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but yeah, she's now attending morning nursery, and maybe I'll do a sit down video and explain properly. Yeah. So for now, she said they're all set for school. Go inside the car.
What?
Wait, your dad has not opened it. Oh, yeah, you girls should talk. Birthday girl, look at me, birthday girl. Do tea for me. Birthday girl. So, what is it? Where is the birthday girl? You can come in, baby. Happy birthday, B. Come closer now. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
This is a birthday girl thing. You need to put it here. Is it driving your hair? Oh.
It drives my hair like a pie.
When did you wake up? Me, I just woke up now. Let me cover my hair. My hair is
Daddy was calling me downstairs, but I just wanted to sleep.
Oh.
But sleep is my
So
favorite.
today is Adeze's birthday. We woke up early and we prayed for her as usual. So that's what we normally do in the house. On anybody's birthday, we pray for the person, special prayer, yeah. So we prayed for you specially, yeah. We prayed for you. You went back to bed to sleep more. So you're awake now. What did your daddy give you anything? Did daddy give you any gift? What did daddy say he will give you?
A kitchen toy.
A kitchen toy?
It's pink.
He said he will buy you a kitchen toy. So
But
you're going shopping today.
That one is so small.
The one you have is so small.
And the fridge broke.
Oh, and the fridge broke. Isn't that you and your sister that broke it?
No.
So I have a present for you. Ready? Ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! Happy birthday, baby!
Wow!
Open it. It says, daughter, happy birthday. So you're my daughter and it's saying happy birthday. And open it.
Money! To buy me a toy!
Yeah, so how much is this?
100.
1 and 0 is what?
100.
No, 10 pounds.
10.
So what will you buy with 10 pounds? So in here it says,
Pink kitchen.
you and this pink kitchen toy, it says, have a beautiful birthday, my sweet darling daughter. To Adeze from
Kiss.
Mommy. Kiss.
Kiss.
Mwah. You deserve a treat, and this is the treat. I gave you 10 pounds on your birthday. Yeah, but I'll still buy you some things though.
Huh? More money to get.
No big hug.
Wait, Daddy has money in his desk, in his drawer. He will have money. That means
Here you go.
we're rich.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Now I can buy a whole
You already
house.
had your cake on Sunday, so this one is just you save it, you put it to your piggy bag, or you just put it to your piggy box. You used to have a piggy box. Where did you put it? Have you thrown it away? There you go. Where's that card they gave you in school?
It's there.
Let's see. So they gave her this one in school yesterday because she had to do her birthday in school yesterday because there's no school today. So yeah, it's written Adeze, okay? After you go and show guys this one, I'll show guys it. It says happy birthday.
Look, there's even a present.
Present, yeah. So they said, Adeze, happy birthday. We hope you have a lovely day. Love from Miss Ski and all of the 1K. To smile. I gotta show guys a birthday from your mommy.
It's from my mommy, from my teacher.
Right. What? Yeah, so today is Adeze's birthday. Her daddy's playing her some birthday music. So they'll be taking this tablet soon. This is like oral suspension, warm medicine. I give them warm medicine from time to time. So yeah.
They hold me tight.
Susan, if I come and stand here. Oh yeah, here you go.
So does it taste good?
Hold it.
So does it taste good? Yes.
What are you doing? Mercato Americanos. That's hookworm. Ascaris umbilicoides.
I'm going to breastfeed your tablets.
Yes, just said no, another insect.
They have 4 insects in this school week. So one is this week. Another one I think is also in this month. Okay. Do you want tea or glass of juice?
I want juice.
Juice. Glass of juice. Yeah. Mr. Fluffy said.
No! She's my favorite. Don't you find Mommy, don't soak everything inside her mouth.
It's inside her mouth. So eat it up.
No, you will pop up. Mommy.
So you've not been to Soso school? Where is Soso?
Here.
Sweet of?
Yeah. Mama, am I going to social school now?
Yes, now you don't have school today, so we just drop Soso off.
Then I go?
Yeah.
My teachers.
Go. Hold your sister. Me hold your sister.
This is my bicycle.
Yeah, pop here. Sister, pop here. Toy session. Or pick a toy you want. You said you want a dolly, yeah? So keep that and don't touch anything. Me, these are dollies too. So wait. All these ones too. Are you seeing them?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Mommy, look, he's having ejection.
Which one?
This one.
You want a car? Is it a car you want now?
I want this one.
What do you want to do with that car?
I want this one.
See.
Daddy.
Are you not seeing this one?
Daddy, this is please.
You want this one? Are you sure you want this one?
Please.
Hey, why is this? Is it okay? Well, she said she wants it.
Daddy, look at this baby. Daddy is the best. What happened? This new
Come. Do you really like this one? Turn it to me.
Please.
Do you really like it? Are you sure you like it? So you want this one?
Look, number blocks. Mommy, look, number blocks.
Leave the number blocks.
Where's Chicky baby? Check up here, my baby. Oh, there you broke it.
So is that your doctor costume?
I broke it.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
How can I have this? This side is the best.
Oh yeah, you can have it.
You're the best.
What did you say?
You're the best. I want this too.
You want everything?
I want the magical wand.
Where is the magical wand?
Up there. I want the
This one?
no, I want the mommy one. Yes.
You want the purple one?
Yes, I
Alright, here you go, so.
Thank you.
So me, what will you tell Daddy?
Daddy, thank you.
Why are you buying this white stuff?
Oh, it was such. Let her take it. Let's go. So, me, look here. Your hands are filled with toys now, yeah? Be going. So, you're excited? What will you say to Mommy and Daddy?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Alright, go on. Let's go and pay for them. So let's go.
Mommy, can I have this mirror for my makeup?
Mirror for your makeup. Ha. Oh.
Please.
Why do you want it now?
Please. That's why I love so much stuff.
So what do you want to do with it?
So zoom make. See? Look at my face.
Okay, you can have it. So watch. There we go.
Mommy, this should hurt my daddy too.
I'm gonna put.
So what's this mirror?
So are you happy?
Touch.
Mommy and Daddy and Sister, thank you for celebrating my birthday.
You're welcome.
Can I open it?
Go on, love.
Okay.
Turn it to me. Turn the box. Turn it. Alright, good.
Please. Okay.
So you're doing your unboxing. Dolly.
I want to tear this off. But can you help me?
No. This is not for play. Oh. Come on,
This way. From Chelsea. Okay, hold on. Oh, this.
I think the carton stays. Oh.
We need to take these out.
I don't think you need. Wait. No, you don't need to take it out. Oh.
Mama, I want Cindy.
I think it stays in the carton like this.
No, we need to play.
No, you know I'm done. My work here is done.
Mama, can I help us?
See your chair.
Wow. Let's put the plates. Mommy, I need
Wait,
Chelsea.
So it's not for you. Don't come and start dragging this in with her down because I know if you shout to.
Mom, shout. That's Barbie.
Is that it?
Yes. It's time to cook it.
Hey, children. Your kitchen toy is so beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy. Sweet tape.
Mother, you want purple? So me, this one.
Mom, I want purple.
Okay, so the pink one.
So say I love you. But bring out the other friends.
I should bring out the other ones.
Mom's blue.
One blue.
Yes, hello.
And other black here.
Wait, two. Then this is
You guys good?
Alright. Ah, she fell down.